Think I worked this hard in my life to give you a discount? You think I sacrificed blood, sweat, tears, opportunities just so I could give you a discount? You think I took 1,000 losses to win one time just so I could give you a discount? Respect my price. The price that I have given you is not about the job. The price I've given you is about the journey. The price that I've given you is about my sacrifices. And if you don't find value in it, you can go elsewhere, because there's no discounts here. Hundo.